वैज्ञानिक तसेच औद्योगिक अनुसंधान परिषद न्यू दिल्लीन दोनापावला नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ ओशनोग्राफीत गोयन कार्यशाळा आयोजित केल्या। ही कार्यशाळा 7 ते 10 नोव्हेंबर मजगती जातली। मंगळारा ह्या कार्यशाळेचे उक्तावण झाले। ह्या वेळार गोयचे मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हजर आशिल्ले। हिंद महासागर आर्थिक तसेच भू रणनीतीक महत्वाचेर चर्चा करपाक ही कार्यशाळा आयोजित केल्या। आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
I'm saying this because every field in India is expanding. Whether it is technical field, whether it is infrastructure field. Other day I was with Nitinji, who is having a very ambitious target about road construction. He is talking in terms of 8 lakh crores. He is also talking in terms of electric vehicle, biogas operated buses, and there are a lot of other activities the government is undertaking. We found a difficulty in all this exercise is trained manpower to take up the mantle. A manpower which can actually ensure that a project goes on as per the schedule. For example, if you take up a big bridge, construction bridge, you will require project engineer, project technical people expert in piling, people expert in various concreting slabs and many other issues. Every issue which is being developed, I am finding it very strange. In Goa, there are many places where they oppose mobile towers. They want phone. They complain that the connectivity is not good. I am only having one barcode signal. That is a complaint I hear from many people. But if you try and go and set up a mobile tower, there is opposition because someone sometime in the society spread a rumor that you get cancer out of it. Actually, a lot of research has been carried out and a particular level of radiation has been considered safe. Probably you get more radiation from the sun, but benefit from sun radiation is much more. That there is some reason for it, which we have not found out. And while saying all this, even a strength of various mantra and all that also has a scientific base. Rhythm of a sound can change many issues. So all these aspects needs to be properly understood so that it can be passed on. So it's an excellent exercise being carried out where things can be brought to the knowledge of common people by people who report about them. As he said, the scientist also needs to write their research paper in a simpler forms so that common man can understand science beyond its normal understanding, which currently leaves it into the field of magic and supernatural things. And that is an also equally important aspect. So this exercise of workshop is a welcome exercise. I hope next 2-3 days when you are staying here, you will be able to derive a lot of benefit out of it. And congratulate you once more.